Alright, you guys, I have a Corolla 2004. I was having trouble finding the key code on the door. I looked on the driver door and it wasn't there. So more than likely you'll find it on the passenger door. Okay, and it's gonna be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit code. Okay, and that's the code right there, 54326. Okay, so it won't be this one. It won't be this one written up here or on the stick, but you're gonna find it down here. Okay, 5-digit code, and on the passenger door. Always on Toyota passenger door. Okay. Just a little information for, to give you guys a heads up when you guys are trying to get the code for the car. So Toyota is always going to be on the passenger door. If they only have one of these and it's on the driver's side door, then it's going to be on the driver's side door. But if there's two, it's going to be more than likely on the passenger door. Okay, so like I said, it's going to be a 5-digit code and it's going to be down here. So right here, you remove this little plastic cover on the door, and you see a little screw right there. You take that off and the whole door thing comes off. Okay, passenger side. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video and it helped you guys out, make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel. Okay.